Hello all, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see one more interesting problem in SQL. So today we are going to see how to find the number of mutual friends between two users in a social networking site. So I hope you all know what mutual friends is. So I'll explain you if you don't know. So basically you have a table called friend1 and friend2 columns. You have some set of users on friend1 and some set of users in friend2. So if you see Jason and Mary, they are friends. So mutual friend is nothing but a friend who is a common friend between Jason and Mary. That means if you see Jason has friend is friends with Mary, Jason is friends with Mike, and Jason is friends with Susan. And similarly, Mary is friends with John, Mary is friends with Susan, and Mary is friends with Mike. So basically, Mike and Susan are common friends for both Jason and Mary. So that's why the mutual friends between Jason and Mary is 2. Similarly, you have for other users also. So let's go back to SQL Server Studio and see how we can solve this using SQL. So I have already inserted and created the table and inserted the required rows, as you can see. Yeah. So first for this now, I'll create one CTE with CTE1 as, so select from friends. So what I'll do, I'll just do a union of friend1 and friend2 and friend2 and friend1. So I'll explain you why friend1 comma friend2 from friends union select friend from friends. So here the same thing, it's just that I'm doing the reverse union. That means I'm doing the same doing the union but in the reverse way, friend 2 and friend 1 and friend 1 and friend 2, I'm joining together. So if I do this, what will happen? Yeah, Jason and Mary is coming and Mary and Jason. So that's how the data will be duplicated in this city. And next I'll do comma CTU CTE2 as select. So now I'll get all the distinct users. So for distinct a distinct, I'll just use select friend1 from friends union select friend2 from friends. So in this way we'll be able to calculate the distinct users in a social network site. So we have 5 users: Jason, John, Mary, Mike, and Susan. So now what I'll do a cross join between these two CTEs and see what is the output. So CR CTE as select friend1. Okay. Select from CTE1 as FR cross join CTE2 as P. So now FR dot friend1 comma FR dot friend2 comma P dot friend1 as I'll rename this as user. So now if I try to run and see what is this city giving me, select star from CR So when I try to do the cross join, basically for all the friends, for all the friend combinations, I'm getting all the users. So with this, why we are trying to do this is, so with this we wanted to see if Jason is a friend of Jason and Mary, which is not a possibility. So basically these 3 rows will go away. So in the 4th row, we'll see if John and Jason are friends as well as Mary and Jason are friends. If John and Jason are friends and Mary and Jason are friends, then Jason is a mutual friend for both John and Mary. So like this, we'll see if the particular user in this user value in this output is a friend for both friend1 and friend2 columns. So how we'll do that? So select star from CRCTE A left join. So left join we'll do with this CT1 CT1 as CT1 on A dot. So what I have explained here. So whether friend1 and use friend 1 and user are friends, as well as friend 2 and user are also friends. So we'll have the friendship, whatever the friends details in this CT1. So that's why we are doing this final cross join CT with the CT1 on a dot friend 1 is equal to CT1 dot friend 1, and a dot user is equal to CT1 dot friend 2. So if I run this, what am I getting? So here we are getting nulls, and here we are getting some output. So here we are getting nulls because Jason and Jason are not friends. Here we are getting nulls because Jason and John are not friends. So if we go back here, we don't see any friendship between Jason and John. So that's why this is also empty. And Mary and Jason are friends with Jason. No, so Mary is friend with Jason. So that's why Mary and Jason is coming. Now next again, let's see left join. Again we'll try to do CT1 as CT2. So now till now we have seen whether friend 1 and user are friends. Now we'll see whether friend 2 and user are also friends or not. On a dot friend 2 is equal to CT2 dot friend 1, and a dot user is equal to CT2 dot friend 2. So if I run this, what are we getting? So okay, there's some error we have got. Trying to reconnect. So yeah, if I run this, we'll see now. Mary and Jason are friends, so that's why this one is happening. But Jason and Jason are not friends, so this is null. Similarly, Mary and Jason are friends, so that's why this row is coming. But Mike and Jason are also friends. So basically, Mary and Mike have Jason as a mutual friends. So that's why these both the rows are coming. So to now filter out only the required mutual friends, so I'll add a where condition where a dot friend one. So basically what is happening here, so if there are any nulls in either this particular set of rows or either particular set of rows, then that means they are not mutual friends. But if there are values, I mean if there are no nulls in an entire row, that means user is a mutual friend between friend 1 and friend 2. So where a1 a dot friend 1 is not null, and b dot friend 1 is not null. So if I do this, what will happen? Okay, some error is there. Okay, it's not a dot, sorry, it's not a dot 1, ct1 dot friend 1 and ct2 and ct2 dot friend 1 is not null. So if I run this, so if you see, we are getting this list, and so now Mike and Jason have Mary as a mutual friend, and Susan and Jason have Mary as a mutual friend. Mary and Jason has Mike as a mutual friend. So this way we are getting all the mutual friends list. So now in the output I need to find the number of mutual friends between the two friends, right? So now what I'll do, a dot friend 1 comma a dot friend 2 comma count of 1 as mutual friends. Okay, so this one I'll do this group by. So group by a dot friend 1, like this one. And after they have done this, yeah, now if you see, Mary and Jason have two mutual friends. Mike and Jason has one. Jason and Mary has two mutual friends. But if you remember earlier, we did union here because we wanted to make sure that both, I mean, so Mary and Jason are friends, and Jason and Mary are also friends. But there are no two entries, right? So we want to make sure that both the conditions are getting satisfied. So that's why we have done union in the beginning. But at the end output, we do not want this Mary and Jason and Mary to be repeated twice, right? So that's why I'll keep this in one more city called final city, or I'll just rename it as final. as this entire output, and select from friends f left join final b on f dot friend 1 is equal to b dot friend 1, and f dot friend 2 is equal to b dot friend 2, and f dot friend 1 comma f dot friend 2 comma so not comma, f dot friend 1 comma dot friend 2 and comma star. So let's see what is the output we are getting after doing this join. So basically I'm doing this friends join because in the initial output I want just a new column in this table with the number of mutual friends. So that's why I'm doing this, taking the base table and doing this left join with the final output. And let's see what is the output here. So yeah, if you see, Jason and Mary has two mutual friends, but John and Mary do not have any friends. So we'll have to keep it as null. No, they do not have any friends, so we'll have to make it 0. John and Mary. John and Mary has friends. Okay, 2, 1, 1. Okay, Mike and Mary do not have friends. Mike and Mary has one friend, mutual friend. Uh, I think Mike and Mary has a mutual friend. So Mike is friend with Jason, and Mike is friend with Jason, and Mike is friend with Mary, and similarly, Mary is friend with Jason. I think here I have written output wrong. Here it is 1, and John and Mary do not have any mutual friend, so it is 0 here. So I think this is how we get. So now here, comma, case when um, mutual friends is null, then 0, else mutual friends. Something is wrong. Yeah, I think this end as mutual friends. So this is how. So are we getting the required output now? Yeah, so now we are getting the required output. So this is how we'll get the total list of mutual friends between these two users. So basically the first step, you have to union the same table with itself. Like we have to get all the combinations like friend 1 and friend 2, and both friend 2 and friend 1 together in a single table. And next thing, we are trying to get a list of all the users in this social network, and doing the cross join between the friendship, whatever friends we have, friends data we have with all the users. So, and once we do the cross join, we are checking whether this user is friend is a friend, is a common friend between both friend 1 and friend 2. That's what we are trying to do here. And then if they are friend, then we are marking them as friends. Otherwise, we are not marking them as friends. And then we are directly using the count of 1 to get the list of mutual friends. Hope you like this concept, and hope you like this video. It's a simple case of joins, but this is the idea you need to get. Simple idea, like to do the union of friend 1 and friend 2 and friend 2 and friend 1, and doing this cross join to understand if there's a common, if the user is common friend between friend 1 friend 2. So if this idea, if you get this idea, then this is simple to solve. If you have any better solution, please post it in the comments. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you.